So I've been reading, and I wanted to actually share some of the stuff that I am reading and some of the stuff that I'm learning through this. It's really kind of cool. The concepts of dualism and monism is dualism is the belief that the dual nature of the reality is the mind and the body are separate. So you've got like the actual brain, the physiological buildup of the brain, and then the mind, which is kind of produced by the brain. I look at it kind of like the hardware of computer and the software of computer. That's one theory. And then you've got monism is the belief that everything in the universe consists of matter and the energy, and that the mind is a product of the workings of the nervous system. To me, they kind of seem, they're very similar. I'm kind of trying to figure out some of the differences between those, so more to read on that. And another one that was really interesting was the concept of Blindsight. It's based on the fact that we have two different aspects of the visual cortex in the back of the brain, and one of them is the mammalian, and the other one is the primitive visual system. If the primitive visual system is basically to survive, we're not conscious of it, but the mammalian one we are conscious of. So if that portion of our brain gets damaged, we don't know that we're seeing things. In reality, we actually are. It's really a strange concept. So if that region gets damaged, we're still seeing stuff, but it's just things like we're reaching for or we're reacting towards. It's kind of like the idea of that sixth sense and Daredevil, how he could do all those things, being blind but still be able to see stuff. It's you know, if you're into the comic book stuff, but they've actually done studies in which somebody was blind, and the reason they were blind is they had damage done to the mammalian visual system, which in essence they could still see. So you held out their cane to them and they could reach for it and actually grab it. You held it out and tilted it a different way and they would reach for it that way as opposed to that way. So they saw it. They just didn't know they saw it because that portion of the brain is not brought to our consciousness. So really interesting stuff. I'm really excited about it.